I need no
Yeah, no,
Are you walking home?
somebody made these leads really short.
Hold on, dude. My hand's in the way.
Oh yeah, that is not good.
Somebody made these leads really short. Alright.
Oh my god! Holy crap!
I'm glad he's not hammering.
That's hilarious.
The ones that aren't strong,
I can't see the top.
wood and it doesn't really burn through it.
Jeez, whatever.
What's going on?
Big wood.
Let's go. Let's go.
You know it's all gone south and they say, let me sit down for a minute.
Oh yeah.
Dirt on this too.
So that's water you're spraying on there?
Soda water.
Bacon.
Or baking soda water.
And
That's why I got that for
go.
Yeah, that's why you bought it for me.
Lighten up the side.
Look at that whole thing.
And you. Oh crap.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't hold tight.
Frankenstein!
There it goes.
It takes a little bit.
This,
Once again, it starts in the middle. That's so cool.
it should, as long as he's got rubber. I mean, it should.
You got rubber boots on.
Yeah,
It's hot right there, though, really hot.
Screw
You
you.
got rubber boots on, that's why. And if you had his leather soles on, you'd be peeing your pants.
Look here on the side, guys.
That's a cool one.
Try to try.
That is really cool. Look how it's going on at knot.
It's almost doing a mirror image on
Hey,
the other side.
looky. Oh my gosh. Fire.
Oh, but it's still doing it from the bottom, too.
Put it out with that water. You can feel that thing heating up.
Look how it's going down.
Yeah.
You guys might
water.
want to move your
No. We need to.
It's like really going on the other side.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna get that plastic.
Okay.
Oh, it's a little.
You have melted sawhorse. It's totally not my fault.
It's alright.
It's
a
alright.
little. It's a little. hot.
Oh, it's gonna connect right here.
It's a little bit.
They're gonna connect. They're gonna connect.
And then it's gonna be done. Once they connect, they're done. Because
Unless we steer, take it off. Ready?
boom.
Gotta go.
My God.
Watch this.
Oh man, Trenton's gonna
That one is pretty good. If you cut it off right there. That's a cool. Every one of them's gonna be different.
Alright, go ahead.
You
You guys want some really
No.
slow?
Touch that one.
Wait, yours.
Stop.
Holy crap. Oh God.
Too close to that.
I don't know what that looks like sanded down.
Like, oh man.
I'll do the welding helmet on.
It does, it sucks you right in there, doesn't it?
Ah, dude, that's strong.
Electricity.
Right?
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Electricity.
Electricity in my house.
Sanded down.
Holy
so-
crap.
Yeah, he's like, no.
Please?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Grandma,
Yeah,
you
that
have
is
one of those?
No, that's it.